Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add subtitles in CapCut. So let's get right into it. Here you can see I have already added a new project on my CapCut, and if I want to add a subtitle in my CapCut, all I need to do is head over to auto captions or caption templates. I am heading over to auto captions, and as I don't have a pro version of it, so I'm just getting this one, the quick brown fox, this one. And clicking on generate. And once I do it, my caption is turned on. So here you can see my caption is coming back, and in whichever the place I want, I can put my caption right there. And here, this is how I can just add subtitles in CapCut. So yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.